that refreshed Model 3, we start there, but that's only in China and I think Europe. Not yet here in the US.
Yeah, and what was funny was last night I kept like refreshing the Tesla, web page to see if it was in the US. But no, it's just China and Europe, which makes sense. They retooled the China factory first.
Okay, we've been waiting on that one. I think more of a surprise potentially was the continuing downward price of Model S and X, the most expensive of Tesla's offering. What do we know about that?
So the S and X are really like a tiny share of Tesla's overall sales, but by slashing the prices, they now qualify for the $7,500 tax credit under the Inflation Reduction Act.
In this country.
In the United States. So this is an all-out push by Elon to chase volume, which he he telecast to everyone that that's what he was going to do.
Welcome back to another video where we bring you the latest Tesla news, Tesla stock analysis, and delve into why Tesla is a game changer in the EV industry. Today we're going to talk about Tesla's profit margins and why this could fuel a surge in Tesla's stock price this week. Remember, profit margins are the lifeblood of any company and a crucial factor in Tesla's stock analysis. It does not only show that Tesla is a good business, but also it gives a strong indicator that Tesla's stock is a valuable long-term investment. Both increasing profit margins and raising car demand are critical factors to consider when investing in Tesla. So if you're a Tesla investor, watch this video until the end, as these two factors could significantly influence Tesla's stock price. Without any further delay, let's get started.
Just a continuation of what we've seen play out now over the last several months. We heard this warning from Elon Musk most recently in their last earnings call, saying that more price cuts may be necessary. We're seeing the fact that demand, obviously a concern here for Tesla, for its competitors, as we talk about the fact that people simply are pulling back on their spending. They don't have the excess cash to go out there, have as much money to buy an EV. So here we are again with Tesla changing the price of its Model S and Model X for the 7th time this year.
Yeah, I mean, it's worth separating the two stories, I think, Shauna, because when you think about what's happening with the Model X, that price cut was made right to come within that cap of the IRA, so that car is in fact eligible for the federal subsidies, which makes it a little more affordable, although it's higher than the Model 3 and the Model Y. So that's largely seen as the big motivation behind the cuts there. The Model 3, though, is probably a bigger concern when you consider the Model 3 and Model Y make up such a big chunk of the revenue and deliveries for Tesla. And a lot of investors were expecting that new Model 3 coming out to be at a lower price point, to be able to compete with the BYDs, with the other cars, especially in China, where the competition has been so steep. So that's a big concern for
Tesla's been consistently improving its profit margins over the years, thanks to innovations and cost-effective production methods. And we expect these margins to keep increasing as the years pass. One of the very important reasons for this expected increase in Tesla's margin is the high demand for a refreshed Model 3 electric vehicle. Tesla recently revealed plans of its Model 3 sedan, which had a new, refreshed design. And the recent demand for this vehicle has been nothing short of impressive. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. The launch of the new Model 3 sedan marks the first time Tesla's rolled out a vehicle in China ahead of the US, underscoring its growing reliance on the country, where it's in a race for market share with BYD. This vehicle is being built at Tesla's Shanghai plant, and it comes at a starting price that's 12% higher than the previous base model in China. It will also be exported to other markets in Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. The new Model 3 is Tesla's first change to its mass-market car lineup since its launch of the biggest global bestseller, the Model Y, in 2020. This refreshed model promises a longer driving range of 606 kilometers for the standard base model, and that's done on China's testing standards. And it's about 9% higher than the base model it replaces in China. According to Tesla, it started taking orders in China, where it will begin deliveries in the fourth quarter, and in other markets where it exports to from Shanghai. And this model, which is expected to launch in the United States soon, could be a huge catalyst for high demand of Tesla vehicles, that it offers several advantages over current models and competition. Before we continue, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. The refreshed Tesla model has a sleeker and more refined look, with a smoother front end, narrower headlights, updated taillights, and new wheel designs. And it also introduces a new color option, Ultra Red, which replaces the current red multicoat. This new design gives the Model 3 a more premium and futuristic look, which could attract buyers who value aesthetics and innovation. There's also improved range. The Model 3, the refreshed version, boasts a longer range than the current one, thanks to improvements in aerodynamics and battery efficiency. It uses a new battery tech from CATL, which claims to provide up to 700 kilometers in driving range on a full charge. The increased range could appeal to more customers who've got range anxiety or need to travel long distance frequently. Every time Tesla makes an upgrade on its products, it easily draws in demand, particularly because of the efforts the automaker puts into these newer models. And for instance, the refreshed Model 3 comes with new features and enhancements which bring in great functionality and safety for the vehicle. One of the most notable ones is the FSD version 12 software, which is expected to be released later this year, and that will enable full self-driving capabilities with the Model 3. We believe that this new refreshed model could be a game changer for Tesla and the industry as a whole, as it offers significant improvements over the current model and competition. It could also boost Tesla's car demand by attracting more customers who are looking for a stylish, efficient, and luxurious, as well as smart electric vehicle. And this could also increase Tesla's brand value and reputation as a leader and innovator in the field of electric vehicles and autonomous driving. But let's also not forget that there's a cheaper Tesla model on the way too. And that's going to have similar or much more effect on Tesla's demand than this refreshed Model 3. This continuous increase in Tesla car demand will be a major catalyst for growing margins in the future. According to Tesla stock analyst Lupe Ventures, Tesla will unveil its upcoming Model 2 in 2024. While there's no official Model 2 on Tesla's list of future vehicles, the EV maker has mentioned on several occasions that a smaller, cheaper model is coming. After Elon Musk announced the possibility of a new and cheaper car model, a lot of people can't stop talking about this upcoming Tesla model, as many believe that in order for the automaker to truly move forward with its mission of electric vehicles, it arguably needs to produce more affordable EVs. Even Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, has made that clear. In a previous tweet, Musk confirmed that there will be a new Tesla that will launch later in 2023 for $25,000, and many believe that that could be the Model 2. At Tesla's Battery Day in 2020, Musk announced that Tesla will be making a compelling $25,000 electric car, and it will be fully autonomous. It's also been disclosed that Tesla China is heading up the development of the new entry-level model. Although the news of this cheaper Tesla model has created so much excitement, only a few details are known about it. Other than Tesla's aim to sell it for $25,000, substantially undercutting the Model 3. The Model 2's price target will make it Tesla's most affordable unit yet when it starts selling. And this model will be either a compact car or a subcompact vehicle. Tesla is reportedly working on developing the Model 2 in China, and the Chinese media has published reports stating that the Model 2 development has already started. What's more, speculations in 2022 pointed to a tentative Model 2 release date later this year. So there's a lot to boost Tesla's profit margins in the coming years. While the Model 2 has yet to be released, any positive news regarding this project is enough to drive up the price of the Tesla stock in general, so we remain positive. But what do you think? Let us know down below, and don't forget to tell us what your valuation of Tesla is. And if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few years, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.